Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back for another video. Today we're going to talk about the two investing apps, Robinhood and M1 Finance. We're going to talk about their similarities, differences, and overall which one's better for first-time investors starting out. Before we dive in, please make sure you hit the subscribe button down below, smash the like button. It really helps push the video out to a new audience. And leave a comment below. What's your favorite trading app and why? So let's jump into the similarities between the two apps. They both offer dividend reinvestment plans, which is great for getting your cost average down and reinvesting your dividends so they keep growing. Both of them offer fractional shares. They're both 100% free. There's no commissions to trade stocks or options or ETFs. Where the apps start to differ to start with is Robinhood. You can open an account with $0 minimum. M1 Finance, they have a $100 minimum to open accounts. Robinhood doesn't offer retirement accounts. So you're not able to invest a Roth. M1 Finance, their minimum to open their account for retirement is $500. Also, M1 Finance doesn't give you the ability to buy cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum. And also, one of the big differences between the two is Robinhood, you're able to trade stocks all day, before hours and after hours instantly, versus M1 Finance, there's only a 1 day trading window, which means when you put your order in, the trade doesn't get executed till a later time in the day, which is going to be a lot worse for people who want to day trade or want to get into the stock at the exact price at the time. So M1 Finance is going to be a lot better position for people who are long-term investors and are more concerned about just buying and getting in versus getting the best price down to the penny at the time. A big difference also is that Robinhood doesn't really offer any guidance or advice into buying stocks or ETFs. You're kind of just left out there on your own. Whereas at M1 Finance, they have expert picked pies, which allows you to invest in pre-made portfolios ranging from general investments, retirement, responsible investing, income earners, and so many other ones. So here we'll jump into responsible investing. And there's two pies that are made up of 7 different stocks. It gives you a little bit of background on it, little information, and it tells you what shares are holding in there and how that's made up of the pie. Another really unique feature of M1 Finance that no one else does on the market is to let you create your own pies. So for example, let's say you want to invest in Apple, Microsoft, oops, go back, Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Tesla, and Chase. You would add these to your pie, and here we could, here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so it breaks up by 20%. But let's say you wanted to be more heavy on Tesla, you would take away from another share, and each week or each month, depending how you have your automatic investing set up, the money you have allocated every week or whatever will get evenly, or however you have your portfolio split up, invested into these stocks. And also you can have your dividends get reinvested, split up between your pie, which is really unique compared to all the other products out there. And you're able to create your own mutual fund in a way. Probably the coolest feature that M1 Finance has to offer is that you're able to borrow against your portfolio. Once you have over $10,000 invested, it's almost like a HELOC against your portfolio. Interest rates such as low as 2%, 3.5%, depending if you join our M1 Plus. This is great. It lets you pull your money out, put it towards weddings, start a business, a big purchase coming up, or you're able to double down and use the leverage to buy more stocks. And this is such a unique feature that no other app or company is offering at the moment. Thank you guys for staying all the way to the end of the video. If you guys like the content, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below, like the video, and I'll see you guys here next week.